If you're getting the Epic Games error code DP-OS-03, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error can happen for a few different reasons, including outdated Windows files, compatibility issues, corrupted game files, launcher permission problems, or even a bad cache inside the Epic Games launcher. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and helpful tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is update Windows. A lot of Epic Games errors are caused by missing system updates, so this is always the best place to start. Open your settings, then go to Update and Security, and click Windows Update. From there, select Check for Updates and let Windows download and install anything that's pending. Make sure you install both feature updates and quality updates if they show up. Once everything is finished, restart your computer so the updates fully apply. This one step alone can fix the issue for many users, especially if your system has been sitting on an older version of Windows for a while. Next, check your system requirements. This is especially important if the game you're trying to launch needs a 64-bit operating system. If your PC is running a 32-bit version of Windows, some games simply won't work properly and may trigger this kind of error. So take a moment to confirm that your operating system matches the game's minimum requirements. If the game requires Windows 10 or Windows 11 64-bit, and your device is on something older or unsupported, that mismatch could be the real cause of the problem. In that case, you may need to upgrade your system before the game will launch correctly. Now let's check compatibility mode. Sometimes Windows tries to run the Epic Games Launcher with settings that interfere with the game. To fix that, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and choose Properties. Then open the Compatibility tab. If you see that compatibility mode is enabled, uncheck the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode 4. After that, click Apply, then OK. This makes sure the launcher is running with normal settings instead of forcing an older Windows version that could be causing conflicts. If the error is still there, the next step is to verify your game files. Corrupted or missing files are a very common reason Epic Games fails to launch properly. Open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game giving you the DP-OS-03 error, then click the three dots next to it. Choose Manage, and then click Verify. The launcher will now scan the installation and repair any broken or missing files automatically. Depending on the game size, this may take a few minutes, so give it time to finish. Once it's done, try launching the game again and see if the issue is resolved. Another fix that often works is running the launcher as an administrator. Sometimes Epic Games doesn't have the permissions it needs to access certain files or system services, especially after an update. First, completely close the launcher and make sure it is not running in the background. Then, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and select Run as Administrator. If a permissions issue was causing the error, this can clear it immediately. If that works, you may even want to keep using that option for future launches. If none of that has solved it yet, the next thing to do is clear the launcher cache. Over time, cached files can become damaged and cause launch errors like DP-OS-03. To clear it, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, type %local app data %, and press Enter. This opens your local app data folder. Look for the web cache folder inside the Epic Games Launcher data and delete it. Don't worry, this does not remove your games, and it often refreshes the launcher and fixes strange errors. After deleting the cache, reopen Epic Games Launcher and sign in again if needed. At this point, one of these steps should usually get you past the error. The best order is to start with Windows updates, then verify your system requirements, then check compatibility mode, verify the game files, run the launcher as administrator, and finally clear the cache. Going through them in this order gives you the fastest chance of finding the exact problem without wasting time. If the video helped, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to make more quick fix tutorials like this one. And if you still can't get the Epic Games error code DP-OS-03 to go away, leave a comment with what step you tried and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.